welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name's Nicole. I'm doing kind of like a sunset-y get ready with me type of thing. It's just like a classic get ready with music. I'm jamming. You can come here, jam a little bit, you know, enjoy the little tutorial. I am priming my face with the kind of like oil serum capsules that you can get like basically anywhere. I'm using these. I got these from Rossmann here in Germany. It's from a brand called Isana. It's the pink ones that are like perfect tint or something like that. So I'm just priming my face with that. My face has been feeling so dry recently, so I've been really enjoying them. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain, and I love the undertone of this. I do realize it looks super light on me, but don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I'm matching it to my neck, not to my face. My face is a little bit darker than my neck, so everything looks, you know, unified by the end of this. Just trust the process. Number one thing in makeup, just trust it. So, you know, for concealer, I love going with the Collection Lasting Perfection. It's the concealer in the shade 5 Fair. And this is like a pinky undertone, so I color correct my dark under eyes, like just the inner corner, because it gets so dark. It's just, I have like deep set eyes and that happens. And then with this new concealer that I've got, it's a Catrice one. It's like camouflage, like, I don't know what it's actually called, but it's very affordable and I quite liked it. It's the first time I'm trying it. I'm just, you know, figuring it out as I go. But it's a kind of like a yellow undertone concealer, and I really like it to match it with this kind of pink undertone concealer under it, because it kind of neutralizes really nicely, and it does claim to be like sweat proof, waterproof, and like non-transfer. So I'll let you know how I like that, but I just let you know like I've been using a new concealer and it's quite decent. But anyway, moving on to bronzer. I'm using the L'Oreal stick foundation. This is in the shade 220 caramel toffee, something like that, and I love using kind of like stick foundations or just, you know, very dark creamy bronzers and just buffing them into my skin, because it just makes it look like really sun-kissed and effortless and melts into your skin. It might look super intense at first, don't get me wrong, but it will all come together. It makes your powder bronzer and powder blush stay a lot longer. So yeah, I just grabbed my cream blush. It's a Nip and Fab one, old one, you know, just put it all over the place. And I sat under my eyes with the RCMA No Color powder and just my T-zone, everywhere I could crease. So I get oily on my forehead and my nose, and then I just set my smile lines and under my chin, where I just rest my chin, rest my hand on my chin all the time. Or my chin on my hand? No, my chin on my hand. Oh god, a mess. Anyway, for bronzer, I'm just using the NYX matte bronzer. I'm not sure what shade it is. Everything will be linked in the description box. Don't you fret. All the shades, everything. So yeah, I'm just applying some powder bronzer to set that cream bronzer, and then some powder blush to set that cream blush. Sure, you know. I use the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush, and I wanted to go for a very pinky, like sun-kissed, like, oh, I've been outside, I got a little bit of sunshine today kind of look, you know. Not that I ever go outside really, but anyway, for highlight, I'm using the Be Perfect Mitchell Collaborations, the Sub-Zero palette, and I use that pinky shade. I don't use it often because it looks a little bit like powdery. It doesn't go with everything, but I just had to branch out today, and I quite like how it looks. And then for contour, I'm using right there the NYX highlight and contour palette. I just use the shade, I think it's called Sculpt or something. Dug out one of my old contour palettes and decided to use that. Then brushed my eyebrows with a spoolie, and then got ready for my eyes. I'm using the P. Louise base, the white one. I think it's 00 something. And I just buff it all over the place because I really want to pack on the pink pastel shade. I think is it Lovesick? I'm not sure. This is a Beauty Bay Pastels palette, and I just grab a shader brush and pack it all over my lid and blend it upwards. That's all I do. Honestly, it's so simple to get like these kind of colorful looks. I really love using like kind of like pinks and yellows and oranges to kind of introduce colorway into your life if you're not so comfortable with them. And then I applied a little bit more of the P. Louise base underneath my lash line, like my lower lash line, to make sure the color pops. And then I applied the yellow eyeshadow from the same palette. Then I went with this kind of like brow gel. It has fibers through it. I just wanted to, like, you know, give it a little bit of a look, and then curl my eyelashes. I am very up close and personal. I just wanted to try the mascara with you guys. So this is, you can't even see my mouth, but I'm really close so I could like actually see everything. But this is the Maybelline Last Sensational Sky High Mascara, and I really want to give it a go. And I know, like, I'm just jamming. I'm like, it's like a get ready with me. But, you know, I really want to try this. So I opened the wand like so, and the mascara, can you see? It is like a plastic bristle brush mascara wand. And I'm just gonna get really close and try this for the first time. I'm so excited. I did just curl my eyelashes. I mean, generally plastic bristles like this make your lashes so long. Question is, will you hold the curl? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I get why these things gone viral. Holy fuck. No other mascara's ever done this for me, like, genuinely. I curl it and it just flops back down. It has a good tacky feeling, I like this. I'm gonna do my lower lashes as well. Can you see that? It makes them like quite... It's a quite natural everyday type of look, I'm not gonna lie. I've got mascaras that do a little bit better in the volume area, like drama section. Now that it's drying down, it is slightly slanting lower. Can you see this? It's slightly slanting, but it's held the curl a lot better than most non-waterproof mascaras have. Love this. I'm gonna get this all over the place now. Gonna see you back out. Now I'm just finishing up applying the mascara to my lower lashes. I quite liked it. I still feel like it doesn't hold the curl 100%. I'm sorry. But I see why it went viral. I'm applying a little bit of the concealer around my brows to just clean it up and make sure there's like no brow gel around it. I just wanted to, like, you know, give a light fluffy kind of like an everyday, like, you know, springy wash of color. This was the makeup look anyway that I came up with. But for the lip line, I'm using the Essence, oh, I don't remember the shade name. I think it's in the shade Legendary. I'm not sure. Everything will be linked down below. But I'm using the same lip oil I used at the beginning. This is just by Rival de Loop. I think it's just a local brand. And then I'm setting my face with the Continuous Setting Mist. And that is the look done, you guys. Like, honestly, thank you for watching this video and coming and jamming with me. Bye!